Hey guys, I just got this brand new accessory for my Xbox 360E today. It is a Xbox 360 wired controller made by Powerwave. Now, I'm all about my third-party accessories and all that sort of stuff, and if it solves a problem, it is definitely worth getting. So I'm going to test this out today for you guys to see if it is worth it. It's more of a newer product, so they probably released this in the idea of, you know, the Xbox 360 controllers are a little bit older, such as the one I have for this one, doesn't really work anymore. So I got this that actually works and hopefully fixes my issue, and, you know, I could actually play Xbox 360 again and be happy. Very, very excited. Let's check it out. So, alright, so inside the box, obviously you got your instructions, which we don't really need to go through, but this is the main component. We just have the wired controller. So it definitely does have that Xbox 360 feel, and it's pretty much like the original controller. It's just, it doesn't have that wireless part at the back, but the design is like exactly like they had it with the Xbox 360. Oh man, this is great. The only thing obviously that's missing is obviously that part there, which doesn't have the X, but everything is like the exact same as an original Xbox 360 controller. Let's see how long this cable is as well, just to see. Like, it feels exactly the same as an Xbox 360 controller. I'm very, very, very impressed. This cable is very long too. So this has, man, like 3 meters or 2 meters of length right here. So this is fantastic. You can definitely play like a wireless controller because this cable is so long as well. This is fantastic. So this will just plug in these compartments here. So that's all you have to do. And boom. We're gonna plug this in and see if it actually connects straight away. All right, let's give this a test. So let's turn this on. So right there we got a green button, which means we are turned on. I'm interested. So if I press this circle button, that should appear, which, as you can see, that's our Xbox 360 logo. And right here we have the first player button, like as you can see, because that green light turns on. That's how you know. So yes, and it's fully functional. I can even record it. This is a fully functional controller, so as it should obviously be with the Xbox 360, but I'm just showcasing that it actually fully works, and you know, you get that original design. Is it worth buying? Absolutely, because this is an up-to-date controller. It's lightweight, has the same design, and it's great for your Xbox 360. It's very, very cheap. It was like $40, less than that. Come on guys, I think this is absolutely worth it. If you're still playing Xbox 360 in 2025, this is an absolute worth it accessory to get for it. Just to have there, just in case. So thanks for watching guys, like, subscribe to see more.